With the car raised up on jack stands, take your floor jack and support the transmission from underneath. Just push up very slightly on the bottom of the transmission so that you can support the weight of the drivetrain when you disconnect one of the transmission mounts. With the transmission supported by your floor jack, carefully remove the nuts that attach the mounts to the chassis, green arrow. You will also have to hold the bolt head on the opposite top side of the mount using a wrench. The yellow arrow shows the bolts that hold the triangular bracket to the transmission. Here's a side view of the triangle bracket. The two orange arrows show the two bolts that attach the bracket to the transmission. Here's a photo of the stock Boxster transmission mount. The Porsche 993 transmission mount is nearly the same but minus the triangle bracket insert. If you wish to use a 993 one instead, then remove the nut that attaches the old mount to the triangle bracket and move the bracket to the new 993 mount. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.